Layla, come here. Layla. Layla. Good job. You got it here. Hey, let's open up some more presents. Come here. Look at Layla. Look. Here, I'll put it on the floor for you. Here, get down. Go ahead. It already has air in it, Layla. You trying to blow it up? You blew it up, but it's already got air in it. And anyway, come here, Layla. That's not even the gift. Come here. Layla. Hey, Layla. Layla. Well, okay, it doesn't even need air, so you're in good shape. Here. Do you want to see the gift?